How to activate App Lock on Samsung Galaxy S24 series with secure folder. So if you want to create a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series, then just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your settings on your Samsung Galaxy S24. And under settings, you need to tap on lock screen security. After that lock screen security, it will take you to this kind of interface where tap on secure folder. Once you tap on the secure folder, tap on start, which is on the bottom right. And then it will take you to the sign in page. So sign into your Samsung account, tap on sign in, which will be on the bottom right. And then enter your information like your email address and then password and tap on sign in. And you can choose the secure folder lock type, which is pattern, pin, and you can also use the fingerprint or face lock. And then it will start creating your secure folder. And you can simply choose what you would like to add to your secure folder. So simply just select and then add to your secure folder and your files will be safe. So that's how you can set up your secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy S24. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.